Hello everyone, once again welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here in this full video we'll see how to fix iCloud sign out not available due to restrictions. So here I am first of all going to settings and I will show you the restrictions. Now tap on your profile and here wait for a while. So now here as you can see, sign out option isn't allow you to sign out. So basically the option is there but you cannot sign out. So now I will show you that how you can solve this problem. First of all go to settings. Here tap on screen time. Now scrolling down and here tap on turn off screen time. Enter your screen time passcode. Now tap turn off screen time. So basically now your screen time is turned off. Now once again we'll go to sign out option. Wait until refresh it. So you can see sign out option is now allow you to sign out. And that's how easily you can solve this problem. Now you can use your iCloud sign out option on your iPhone without any restrictions. Hopefully this video will help you, and if it is, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.